7 seeds to repair nerves. We all know how challenging nerve damage can be, affecting millions of lives worldwide, but what if I told you that a team of brilliant scientists has uncovered a natural solution? Enter the 7 seeds, a set of extraordinary plants with the potential to repair nerves in ways we never thought possible. Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, can result from various causes and can affect different parts of the nervous system. Nerve damage can result from a variety of causes, including diseases like diabetes, traumatic injuries, infections, autoimmune disorders, exposure to certain toxins, or nutritional deficiencies. The impact of nerve damage can vary, affecting sensory, motor, or autonomic functions and may require careful diagnosis and management by healthcare professionals to address underlying causes and alleviate symptoms. Nerve damage, scientifically referred to as neuropathy, is a condition characterized by dysfunction or injury to the peripheral nerves, which extend from the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body. These nerves play a crucial role in transmitting signals that control various bodily functions, including sensation, movement, and autonomic processes. Nerve damage can occur due to a multitude of factors, such as chronic diseases like diabetes, infections, autoimmune disorders, exposure to certain toxins, traumatic injuries, or nutritional deficiencies. Common symptoms of nerve damage include tingling, numbness, burning sensations, muscle weakness, and pain, depending on the nerves involved. Individuals may experience difficulties with motor coordination, balance, or involuntary bodily functions controlled by the autonomic. Here is in most common causes of nerves pain. 1. Medical conditions. 2. Trauma or injury. 3. Toxins. 4. Nutritional deficiencies. 5. Genetics. 6. Systemic diseases. 7. Medications. 8. Metabolic disorders. 9. Age-related factors. Here are 7 seeds that have shown promise in supporting nerve health. 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are tiny, nutrient-dense seeds derived from the flax plant Linum usitasimum, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans. Flax seeds offer various health benefits. They promote heart health, aid digestion, and may have anti-inflammatory properties, commonly used in smoothies, baked goods, or sprinkled on salads. Flax seeds are a versatile and easy way to incorporate essential nutrients into your diet. 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are small, nutrient-packed seeds derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Chia seeds offer numerous health benefits. When mixed with liquids, they form a gel-like consistency, making them a popular choice for puddings and beverages. Chia seeds are easy to incorporate into a balanced diet, providing an excellent source of energy, promoting hydration, and supporting digestive health. 3. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are a good source of vitamin A, an antioxidant that may help protect nerves from oxidative stress. These seeds are a nutrient-rich snack containing healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. With a mild, nutty flavor, sunflower seeds are enjoyed on their own or added to salads, yogurt, and baked goods. They offer various health benefits, including promoting heart health, providing essential nutrients, and contributing to a balanced diet. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are the edible seeds found inside pumpkins. They are a nutritional powerhouse, rich in protein, healthy fats, fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium and zinc, with a nutty flavor. Pumpkin seeds make a delicious snack when roasted and seasoned. They are not only tasty, but also contribute to heart health, immune function, and overall well-being, making them a popular and nutritious addition to various dishes and snacks. 5. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are small, flat seeds derived from the Sesamum indicum plant. These tiny seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and essential minerals such as calcium and iron, often used in cooking and baking. Sesame seeds add a nutty flavor and crunchy texture to dishes. Beyond their culinary appeal, sesame seeds offer potential health benefits, supporting bone health, heart health, and providing antioxidants. Whether sprinkled on salads, used in spreads, or included in Asian-inspired dishes, sesame seeds are a versatile and nutritious addition to various cuisines. 6. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are small, nutritious seeds derived from the cannabis sativa plant. While they come from the same plant family as marijuana, hemp seeds contain only trace amounts of THC, the psychoactive compound, packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Hemp seeds offer numerous health benefits with a mild, nutty flavor. They are versatile and can be sprinkled on salads, added to smoothies, or incorporated into a variety of dishes. Hemp seeds are valued for their potential role in supporting heart health, reducing inflammation, and providing a rich source of plant-based protein. 7. Black seed Nigella sativa. Black seeds, scientifically known as Nigella sativa, are small black seeds derived from the flowering plant of the same name, also called black cumin or black caraway. These seeds have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and culinary practices. Rich in antioxidants, essential oils, and other bioactive compounds, black seeds are believed to have potential health benefits. They are often consumed by sprinkling on foods, using as a spice, or taking as a supplement. While these seeds offer nutritional benefits and may contribute to overall health, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions related to nerve damage. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. See you next week.